Hi everyone. So these days most of us are working from home and most of our meetings are going through the video calls. So this tutorial is going to help you out in that case. So I'm going to quickly show you how I get ready for a video call meeting. So I'm going to keep this look very natural because I don't want to look all dolled up for a meeting. So I don't want to look, I'm just woken up from my sleep kind of a look. So that's why I'm going to keep it very minimal and natural. So let's get started. So I have applied moisturizer. If you do have dry skin, make sure you have applied moisturizer before starting makeup because it makes your skin healthy and plump. Today I'm using this concealer from Lakme. This gives good coverage, so if you have really dark and dry area, I think I'll suggest this one for you. I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend in the concealer. So for face, I'm going to keep it minimal. I'm going to use Pond's BB cream. You can use any BB or CC cream. Again with the beauty blender, I'm going to blend this. You can use your fingers as well. For eyes, I'm not going to apply any eyeliner or kajal. I'm gonna just curl my eyelashes and put some layer of mascara so it gives an open and fresh eye look. I don't want a lot of drama for this look, so I'm not going to add a lot of eyebrow product as well. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. So I'm going to add a hint of blush on my cheeks. This is going to give a natural flushed and fresh look. I'm using the one from Maybelline. So for lips, I'm going with a nude shade and this is from MAC. This is Fast Play Amplified Lipstick. So this is a very simple and a formal look I created for an official meeting through video call. So depending on the occasion, you can change this look with playing with your lip color, your accessory, your hairstyle. So this is a formal one and I hope you like this video, and you know the drill already. Like, share and subscribe, and also please stay at home and be safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.